This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. These are 5 stories that we're following today, May 30th, 2024. First, the markets are down again today after being down yesterday. Sort of a couple different fears that are out there. One is fears that just Treasury yields will stay higher, the Fed will stay higher. The other fear is what we call stagflation. The economy grew at a slower pace in the first quarter than expected. This slow pace, compared to the deficit spending that we're doing, which should be with 6 to 8% growth, when we're only growing at 1.3%, is a horrendous situation. That's one. Second, Salesforce, for the first time in a long time, saw its sales numbers really slow. Their growth numbers really slow. Their stock is down nearly 20% so far year to date. That's the most it's been down in one day since 2008. That's a long time. Third, United Healthcare dropped 4% yesterday, as did the insurance group, the insurance sector, news of toughening profits in the Medicaid managed business. That's our third story of the day. The fourth story we're watching, Dick's Sporting Goods, and I'll go through 2 retailers really quickly. 2 retailers knocked out of the park. Dick's Sporting Goods, as well as Abercrombie & Fitch. Now, I've never worn Abercrombie & Fitch clothes, so I can't speak to it. It's for the younger generation. But Dick's Sporting Goods up 16% or so. Abercrombie & Fitch up 25% yesterday, both knocking out of the park. The flip side to that is real estate lenders, big banks, took it on the chin yesterday. Bank Ozark, OZK from Arkansas got crushed, down 17%. Just concerns in the commercial real estate portfolio. Similar, Bank of Montreal, BMO, also lost almost 10% yesterday. So that's bad news. Again, those are 5 of the stories we're following today. Markets down, Salesforce down, United Healthcare down, a couple big banks that lend into real estate down, BMO and Bank Ozark, and then find a couple of retailers knocking out of the park. Who would have saw that coming? Dick's Sporting Goods and Abercrombie & Fitch. My younger self wasn't cool enough to wear Abercrombie & Fitch either. So either way, I've never been a true shopper there, but who saw that coming 25% up yesterday? Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.